with cutting the Brussels sprouts, and I like to buy the Brussels sprouts from ALDI. They come in a bag like this, and people just can steam them, but of course I'm gonna switch it up. So you get your Brussels sprouts, and what you want to do is cut off the little base right here that it gets picked off of. Cut it off like that, and then you want to turn it to the side and cut it in half. If I feel like the leaves on the outside are kind of flimsy, then I'll just take off that first layer and I pop it in the bowl. So now I'm going to cut up all the rest of my Brussels sprouts and also dice up some red peppers. So I love putting in some bacon into my Brussels sprouts. You don't have to put in bacon. You can use turkey bacon or no bacon at all. That's fine too. It's still gonna come out amazing. But we're gonna spice it up, put a little bacon in it. So I'm just gonna dice. I put some bacon in the oven. If you look, it's thick cut. All I need is one piece, and I'm just gonna dice it up, and we'll be done prepping. So now we have the bacon chopped, the Brussels sprouts, the red peppers, and I pretty much have all my ingredients ready to go. So first we're gonna start with a little bit of olive oil. I like to use a little bit. Okay. So then I'm gonna also add in a half stick of butter. And I'm gonna add, now you can of course use fresh cut garlic, fresh chopped garlic, but I like to use this, so I'm gonna add it to my pan. Stir it around. I'm gonna add my red peppers. And I'm gonna let that cook a little bit. Now I'm gonna add my black pepper. Pretty much I'm making the whole quote unquote sauce, and then I'm gonna mix my Brussels sprouts in. To me, I always felt like that worked a whole lot better. So I'm adding my pepper. I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add this salt-free Mrs. Dash. I am all about flavor. Like, I don't understand how people are just salt and peppering it up. I also am gonna add Mr. Tony's. It's really good. It's Cajun seasoning, but it helps give it with a little bit more of a kick. And I'm gonna add a dash of garlic powder. Okay? So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh my gosh, it smells so amazing in here. Okay. So now I'm gonna add all of my sweet and spicy ingredients. I'm gonna add some General Tso sauce. I'm gonna be very generous with this. It tastes so good. Pretty much the whole bottle. Yeah, there we go. And also, I'm going to add this Szechuan spicy sauce. And this is very, very, very spicy, y'all. So kind of maybe take a taste of how you want it, because if you don't want it too spicy and you start to heavy hand pour it in here, you're gonna have a problem. So I want it kind of with a strong kick, so I added a lot. And then I'm going to add some soy sauce. So I guess this is kind of like an Asian type of inspired dish, obviously, with all the ingredients that I'm using. Some soy sauce, and then I'm gonna also add some honey. Oh, so good. I'm also gonna add honey towards the end, but again, I'm just kind of making my sauce right now, and then I'm gonna add my Brussels sprouts. So as you can see, Oh, it looks so good, you guys. Doesn't it? So, I know I put a half stick of butter in there, but you don't have to use any butter at all. And you don't have to use any bacon. You can go without the bacon. You can go without the butter. I would still suggest olive oil or some type of oil that you feel comfortable with. Just to kind of make sure it doesn't stick and, you know. But yeah, you definitely don't have to use the butter. I just want to be really greedy, and butter makes everything better. Okay. Oh my gosh. Smells amazing. And you're just gonna pretty much stir it all in. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So now I'm gonna cover it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Let it get tender. I don't want it to be super soft or anything. But after I let it get a little bit tender, we're gonna go ahead and broil it to give it that nice solid crisp. And you guys will see the end. Okay, so now that I got everything on my cookie sheet, I'm gonna go ahead and put my broil on high and pop it in there for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna keep this sauce here because I'm gonna incorporate it back in again. So this is the finished Brussels sprouts. And as you can see, they are nice and charred, very flavorful, and very delicious. So now I definitely am gonna try it because they look too amazing not to. So yeah. Oh my goodness, it's a little hot. Oh my God. Y'all, this is everything. It has a crunch, it has sweetness, it has salty, it has spicy, it has a little chewy. Love it. So, this is my sweet and spicy Brussels sprouts. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna do more of these videos. Maybe curry chicken next time, I don't know, but I'm about to go. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.